1. Origins of the Black Hawk. The story of the Black Hawk begins in the early 1970s. At that time, the U.S. Army relied heavily on the UH-1 Huey, a helicopter that became legendary during the Vietnam War. While the Huey was revolutionary, combat experience revealed its limitations, especially in survivability, speed, and payload. The U.S. Army launched the Utility Tactical Transport Aircraft System, or UTTAS program. The goal was clear: create a next-generation helicopter that could survive modern battlefields. Sikorsky Aircraft entered the competition with a bold design known as the UH-60. After extensive testing against rival designs, Sikorsky's aircraft won the contract in 1976. In 1979, the UH-60 officially entered U.S. Army service. The helicopter was named Black Hawk, honoring Native American leader Black Hawk of the Sauk tribe. 2. Design philosophy built for survival. The UH-60 Black Hawk was designed with one core principle in mind: survivability. Unlike earlier helicopters, the Black Hawk was engineered to withstand enemy fire and keep flying. Key survivability features include redundant flight systems, armored crew seats, crash-worthy fuel tanks, self-sealing fuel lines, ballistic-tolerant rotor blades. Even if damaged, the aircraft can continue flying long enough to save its crew and passengers. The fuselage structure is designed to absorb impact energy in a crash, greatly increasing survival rates. This focus on crew protection changed helicopter design standards worldwide. 3. Airframe and rotor system. The Black Hawk uses a 4-blade main rotor system, constructed from advanced composite materials. These rotor blades are stronger than metal, resistant to small arms fire, capable of continued operation even after damage. The tail rotor is mounted high for ground clearance and improved safety during operations in rough terrain. The landing gear is fixed and rugged, optimized for rapid landings, uneven surfaces, combat zones without prepared runways. Every element of the airframe reflects durability, simplicity, and mission flexibility. 4. Power plant and performance. The UH-60 Black Hawk is powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines. Each engine produces approximately 2,000 horsepower, depending on variant. Performance highlights: cruise speed, 150 miles per hour. Maximum speed, 183 miles per hour. Range, 360 miles without refueling. Service ceiling, over 19,000 feet. External lift capacity, up to 9,000 pounds. The twin-engine configuration ensures that even if one engine fails, the helicopter can continue flying. This is critical for combat and rescue missions. 5. Crew and cabin capacity. The standard crew includes pilot, co-pilot, crew chief, door gunner. The cabin can carry 11 fully equipped soldiers, or 6 stretchers plus medical personnel, or large cargo loads. The wide cabin doors allow rapid troop deployment and evacuation under fire. The Black Hawk's versatility allows it to switch roles quickly without major modification. 6. Avionics and flight controls. Over the decades, the Black Hawk has evolved dramatically in avionics. Modern variants feature digital glass cockpits, advanced navigation systems, night vision compatibility, GPS-based flight management, autopilot assistance. Pilots can operate in total darkness, bad weather, dust storms, high-altitude environments. These upgrades ensure that the Black Hawk remains effective in modern battlefields dominated by sensors and electronic warfare. 7. Weapons and defensive systems. While primarily a transport helicopter, the Black Hawk can be heavily armed. Common armament includes M240 or M60 machine guns, Ringao 1950 caliber guns, miniguns in special configurations. Defensive systems include missile warning sensors, infrared countermeasures, radar warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers. These systems significantly increase survivability against modern threats. 8. Combat history. The UH-60 Black Hawk has participated in nearly every major U.S. military operation since the 1980s. Notable conflicts include Grenada, Panama, Gulf War, Somalia, Iraq, Afghanistan. One of the most famous incidents occurred in 1993 in Mogadishu, when Black Hawks were shot down during a U.S. mission. Despite losses, the aircraft demonstrated remarkable toughness and saved countless lives. Combat experience led to further improvements in armor, sensors, and tactics. So are special operations variants. The most advanced version is the MH-60, used by U.S. Special Operations Forces. These aircraft feature aerial refueling probes, terrain-following radar, advanced sensors, reduced acoustic signatures. MH-60 helicopters were used in the mission that eliminated Osama bin Laden in 2011. These variants represent the peak of Black Hawk capability. 10. Humanitarian and civil missions. The Black Hawk is not only a combat machine, it plays a vital role in disaster relief, flood rescue, earthquake response, wildfire support, medical evacuation. Its ability to operate without infrastructure makes it invaluable during emergencies. The helicopter has saved thousands of civilian lives worldwide. 11. Global operators. More than 30 countries operate Black Hawk variants. Allies trust the platform because of proven reliability, interoperability with U.S. forces, long service life, continuous upgrades. The Black Hawk has become a symbol of American aerospace engineering excellence. 12. Modern upgrades UH-60. The latest standard version is the UH-60M. Improvements include more powerful engines, digital cockpit, improved flight controls, reduced maintenance requirements. These upgrades extend the helicopter's operational relevance well into the future. 13. Future of the Black Hawk. Although the U.S. Army is developing next-generation aircraft under the Future Vertical Lift program, the Black Hawk is far from obsolete. Planned future enhancements include improved engines, advanced networking, optional autonomous features, enhanced survivability systems. The Black Hawk is expected to remain in service into the 2040s and beyond. Few aircraft achieve such longevity. 14. Why the Black Hawk matters. The UH-60 Black Hawk represents more than just a helicopter. It represents reliability, adaptability, American engineering, trust under fire. When soldiers see a Black Hawk approaching, it often means help has arrived. That trust is earned, not given.